This is my elderberry syrup that also doubles up as a cough medicine to ward off those colds and flus in the winter time. So firstly, you want to get your washed elderberries, pop them in a pan with a splash of water, pop a lid on and stew them on a medium heat for about 15 minutes or until tender. Give them a little mash with a potato masher to get all that juice out, and then pass it through a sieve and get rid of the pips and skin. And then you're going to take this delicious juice and pour it into a pan, bring it up to the boil and simmer it for about 10 minutes until it starts to coat the back of a spoon and just thickens up and gets a bit more body. And then what I tend to do is weigh this juice now, and then I add half the amount of honey to juice, but I let the juice cool down to anything below 40 degrees C, and I use raw honey, and that way you'll keep all the medicinal properties of the honey in and you won't kill it. And then strain this again through a little tea strainer into sterilised bottles in a jam jar. The bottle I tend to keep as my medicine. Who am I kidding, actually? I tend to just eat it or drink it. And then the jar is generally for culinary purposes. The syrup will last for about 6 months, maybe a year in the fridge. But I like to drizzle it at this stage while it's still warm over cold ice cream. And it's such a good combination.